Hi there. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things I wish I knew before I started sewing. I wrote some things down, so if you see me looking down, just know I'm checking stuff out. Number one, I wish I knew that sewing is not rocket science. It's not like math, okay, but it has some math to it. But sewing is easy. If I had known that it was easy, I would have started earlier than when I started learning. I have been interested in sewing since I was a child. I bought a baby doll. That was my first baby doll. And I took the dress off and re-sewed it. I took thread and needle. It was wearing a gown, and I decided that, oh no, I don't want it to wear a gown anymore. I want it to be a skirt and blouse. I just cut the gown into two and tried to change the whole thing. It didn't go well anyway, but if I had known that sewing is easy, I think I would have started earlier. And that also reminds me, if you are learning in a place like Nigeria, I know you go to apprentice shop. Some of those people will discourage your life. You hear people saying things like,
You won't learn anything until after like 10 months.
I'm like, hello, what is going on here? Like, what do you mean? So you hear people say some kind of weird stuff that, oh, I didn't know anything, or it's so hard. And it's, please, sewing is easy. Do you understand? Start with that mindset, okay? You are not that person. You have your own experience. You're there for a different reason and purpose. Like every other thing in life, you just need to put in time, effort, consistency. Number two, don't be scared of cutting fabric. One thing I thank my former boss for was cutting fabric. She literally trusted me with cutting fabric, and I tell you, I was shaking. But one thing he did for me was I went back home and I picked up my fabric that I've been keeping and I started cutting them. And I found out that you can never really go wrong cutting fabric. Just cut the fabric. Cut the fabric. It looks like you're going to ruin it. Ruin it, but cut the fabric. If you don't cut the fabric, how are you going to sew? How? Cut the damn fabric. Number three, measure twice or thrice. I feel like this one is very important. Hey, I have measured somebody and then I realized that the measurement was wrong after I had finished sewing the length. If you're not sure what you're measuring, measure it again. Yes, I'm an apprentice. Measure the person twice. Anything you're not certain, just measure again. There's no harm in looking like an amateur at this thing. It's better to be sure than to be sorry because sometimes you can't remedy it. Number four, it's okay to spoil the fabric. Yes, I said it. Spoil the fabric. Mm. You might sew and at the end of the day, you have to throw everything away. It's okay. If it makes you feel better, you can repurpose it into something else, like maybe a cloth to clean somewhere. But it's okay to spoil the fabric. It's okay to spoil the clothes. It's okay if you finish sewing and the clothes you couldn't wear it because it was not as good as you thought it would look. It's okay. Okay? It's just fabric. Number five, don't go for complicated stuff. Like start from the basics. Don't try to sew corset or don't try to sew some kind of weird stuff. Just start from simple gown without any interface. So something very random. My former video I said, this was my first sewing project. Like I literally just crafted this thing for my mind. I had seen a pin cushion somewhere and I was like, I'm gonna make my own at home. So I just went home and put some things together. Like start from little stuff. I even made a tote bag. So make little stuff. Be proud. Pat yourself on the back. If nobody's clapping for you, I'm clapping for you. Clap for yourself for the little things you do. It is worth it. You are doing well. Number six, ironing makes it look better. Yeah. Iron the clothes as you're sewing. Just iron it because the difference is clear. Okay. I'm not going to press too much on that, but iron is your best friend. Number seven, I guess. Then I'll take care of your machine. If not, you're going to spend a lot of money. I mean, someone came to service my machine the other time and I had to pay like 4,000 naira. And this man literally did nothing to this machine. In like 15 minutes, it was done. And I was like, what? Like, learn how to oil your machine. There's oil. Oil your machine. All the holes in your machine. Learn how to do it by yourself. Learn how to fix your thread, your needles. Like, learn those basic stuff. How to change your elastic. Basic stuff. So you don't have to call someone and pay so much money just to get something done that ordinarily you would have been able to. Learn how to service your machine, like basic servicing. Only when you know that there is no other way, you then have to call someone. Like, I had to call someone when my machine got broken down there and I didn't have the right spanners and all. So learn that. Finally, allow yourself to be creative. There is no box in this thing. Allow yourself to create something. Allow yourself to think. Allow yourself to invent. Maybe the one you saw online, the dress was straight like this. When you are doing your own, you can curve it. Do you get what I'm trying to say? It's not bad. That's actually how you bring out your fashion genius. I think that'll be all for this video. I wish you the best on your journey and please like and subscribe to the channel to follow my own journey. I'll be posting some stuff as I make them and I hope you like it. Bye. I forgot something. Finally, YouTube is your best friend. There are so many resources on YouTube. Sleep on YouTube if you have to. You might not even need to go somewhere to learn if you can maximize YouTube. There are so many resources here. Look for Sewist that have easy tutorials. Like I sleep on people like Osereme's page. Practice with their videos, and in no time you will see yourself sewing things that you'll be like, you know what I'm trying to say. Don't watch too many. Just stick to like one or two channels so you don't get confused. Okay. So bye.